On this Civic, B1234 is for an air mix control motor circuit short. In plain terms, the climate control unit is seeing the air mix motor input voltage drop low enough that it judges the circuit abnormal. The driver may notice cabin temperature that does not respond correctly, temperature stuck hot or cold, or inconsistent air temperature from the HVAC system. The likely fault areas can include the S5V circuit, the AMD-P-DR circuit, the air mix control motor side of the circuit, or the climate control unit. If other short-circuit codes are present at the same time, check what they mean first, because the shared S5V circuit may have an open or a short to body ground. Start with the basic system checks before getting deep into the circuit. Then turn the vehicle to the on mode and confirm the fault path for B1234. The setting logic is simple. If the input voltage from the air mix control motor is below the specified value, the climate control unit stores this code. Next, prepare for the S5V and AMD-P-DR circuit checks. Disconnect the air mix control motor 5P connector and disconnect the climate control unit connector A24P. There is a connector identification conflict in the available callouts because the following circuit check references the climate control unit connector B24P. Do not guess at probe points. Positively identify the connector and terminal locations before measuring. With IG mode off, check the S5V open wire path. For the dual-zone climate control version, the normal result is less than 1 ohmega. For the non-dual zone climate control version, the normal result is also less than 1 ohmega. After the open wire check, move into the short to ground checks. With IG mode off, the S5V circuit should be not shorted, and the AMD-P-DR circuit should be not shorted. If this circuit inspection is abnormal, keep the diagnosis in the circuit instead of jumping to a component. For the air mix control motor, there is no direct standalone test for the component itself, so the diagnosis is done through the related components and circuits. Disconnect the air mix control motor 5P connector, then perform the listed voltage checks at the disconnected air mix control motor 5P connector female terminals with IG mode on. The expected unit output voltage is about 5V for the dual zone version, about 5V for the non-dual zone version, and about 5V for the additional listed unit output voltage check. If this inspection is normal, the fault direction points to the air mix control motor. If it is abnormal, the fault direction points to other related components. Do not turn that into a parts call until the test path supports it. The climate control unit inspection is only cleanly interpreted when the external circuit is normal. This test can be performed before the individual checks because it includes the listed inspection items, but if it fails, continue with the individual inspection items to find which one failed. For the setup, disconnect the air mix control motor 5P connector. With IG mode on, check the unit internal circuit at the connected climate control unit connector B24P female terminals. The expected result is about 5V. Then perform the second listed unit internal circuit inspection at the same connected climate control unit connector B24P female terminals. That expected result is also about 5V. If this inspection is abnormal, the fault direction points to the climate control unit. The takeaway on B1234 is to work the voltage supply, return, and motor side checks in order. Keep the dual zone and non-dual zone footnotes straight, and do not condemn a part until the circuit path supports it. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.